Alright guys, Carter and Carter here guys with the finished part of this amplifier repair guys. So I'm gonna go over some stuff that I replaced in this amplifier to let you guys know if you ever get one like this. Yeah. So in the power supply here guys, I replaced all the power supply MOSFET guys, which is the IRF 1404, and the output MOSFET is the IRFP 250N. So I replace all of the power supply MOSFET, all of the output MOSFET. Yes guys, I do all of that. And I replace all the gate resistor for the power supply MOSFET and also for the output MOSFETs. All the gate resistor. The gate resistor are like 10 ohms. Yeah, 10 ohms are for the power supply, also gate resistor. Yeah. And there's here I was so when I remove all of these MOSFET for the power supply. There's let me see the part right here. It says it's a diode right here guys. Not diode, it's a rich transistor. It's a regulator, voltage regulator. And it says this one is Q28. So Q28 and you have Q27. So Q28 was bad and I replaced it, and I also replaced Q27. And the Q28 part number on it is AG. So SMD and it says AG. So yeah, you could look it up on your bypass. It will come up AG. And also DK. That's the Q27. That's DK. So yes guys, let's replace both of those because one of these it was shorting out from one of these. Let me see which one. One of these was burnt really bad. I think it's this one here if I'm not wrong. Because of that, yeah, it shorted out this regulator right here, which is a Q27. And I also replaced the TL494, both of them. I replaced both of them. Yes, guys. So, yep. And I pour it up, guys, and it come up, switch on, really good, guys. I was amazed, It just come on. Nothing. I didn't have a problem with it coming on. So I want to show you guys what's going on here, and I give it a little. But it's so long against man. This thing is so spread right across the board. So I want to put into focus the light right here, which is normally do something like this, guys, with the tissue. Put a piece of tissue or something so the light can reflect. So you guys can see it's not a gel thing. It's up and running. And I think all of these are down, and this is down. Oh yeah, this. Alright, so guys, I'm not gonna put any audio to know something because this I can't get nothing off with. So I'm gonna just use my finger to test and see. Don't let me try first if I find audio or anything. If not, I just go about it this way. Alright. I think I have I should have one. Alright. Turn that down. Turn it down, turn it down. Okay, guys, see if I can give you guys a little test right here. So I'm gonna be focusing there. Actually, I can put this into focus. My hand is gonna be right here. So right here. All right. Alright guys, you see now base. Alright, let's click it on and see. Alright, you guys can see blue light, guys. You guys can see right there, blue light. You put yourself really close so that it's not showing that bright, but you guys can see it. Let me play a bass test right here now. Guys, what's going on here? Alright, guys, turn it down. Pause the music before you turn it off, and you do that. So it's up and running, guys, and let me tell you, man, guys, this is really playing fun. And this Tiffany style is really tight. And these guys, look at that, running really cool, guys, really cool. See it, man? These what the heck? These like this could play for a long time without these MOSFETs start getting hot or anything. There's no heat whatsoever, guys, and them no pressure, nothing. Wow, that's amazing. Well done, AUDIOPIPE. All right, guys. So before I put this in the chassis, like, guys, let me show you something, guys. I always do this. Turn it over like this. I have this little light bulb here, which maybe it's already discharged because I did have it on. It was playing, so yeah, it's already discharged. So very good. Try this side. Make you guys see what's going on. Already discharged. Yes, guys, I don't like load explosion, so I get a bulb instead than to, you know. Right, so yeah, so I'm gonna put this in the chassis, guys. So this is the 3000. Yes, guys, this is the AUDIOPIPE 3000. This one here, guys. Yeah, that's a long one here. APDLO 30001D. One home version. That's what it says. There's 3000 up here. Alright, guys. So yep. So I'm gonna put it back into the chassis now, and then we go from there. Let's see if I can just slide it in like. Right. So. Yeah, man, this thing can't hold on the table. That's the thing. Alright, let me try this side like this. Uh-oh. Alright. Look at that. Right into the chassis. So this have to come back down more because I have these to put on, guys. Always remember, yeah, put on the little the RCA in and out. So you have these little ring. That's got to insulating stuff like that. Hold on, let's put everything on. Let's throw everything out right here. And I go from here. So yeah, two should be two like this. Two of the same. No, this goes that way. This goes that way. Alright, then it goes in. Yes, guys, you put one here. One of the black one. Oh, yeah, guys, you guys wouldn't see what I'm doing. I'm just, give this video a little time before I cut it off. I don't want it to be too short. Wow, that one's going on really good. All right. now. Get all these things together, Lord. Guys. Right, guys. So yep. So these bigger ones are for the for the output MOSFETs. Yeah, that screwdriver, guys. Anybody see the screwdriver? Oh yeah, this one. Yes, guys. I use the Phillips, guys. I use the regular Phillips. I don't use the drill for this because I have a lot of bad experience already. With the guys using the drill. I break these head off, even though I break them just like that, you know, without using the drill too, but the drill do it faster than me, so I like to bolt them down. Yeah, and after now, guys, I'm gonna give it my real test, guys. You know it goes already. You can YouTube copyright stuff, you have to be careful, so some of what you play. So yeah, guys, so this is it. AUDIOPIPE 3000 water amplifier up and running. If guys any question you guys want to know, let me know, stuff like that. So you know, all original parts. These part, guys, I tell you, man. Sometimes I tell you guys, if you're buying parts, guys, from some people, you just always ask. I have this thing, guys. I always ask them to show me the product that they're going to sell me. And some will do and some will not. They don't wanna, yeah. Some they don't wanna give you a picture of what they're selling because that's where they can scam you. They just send you anything. But I ask, guys, and if I ask and you don't get it, guys, from any, don't buy from that person. You're gonna have a problem to get the money back. So I ask some company, they send it to me, and it's exactly what I had they sent. So I work with them. So yep, this guys. So please like, subscribe, if you like what you see, guys, and carton is out for now, guys. As I said, please like, subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Thanks for those who don't subscribe to. So we know the thing goes. So alright, guys, please like, subscribe to my channel, and bless up. Alright, no respect.